Namaste students. Achieving self-reliance. Self-reliance or non-dependence is the key to success in any field. Dependency is a sign of weakness and promotes subjugation. Hence, competition law strives to achieve strength in the form of self-reliance because any sort of dependence or subjugation will harm the social interest. For this purpose, it is necessary to promote, build and sustain a strong competition culture within the country. At the same time, practices that are likely to make the country dependent on outside forces also need to be discouraged. Self-reliance will also help the domestic firms and companies in realizing their aim of becoming globally competent. Concept of single nation market. A single national market is desirable because fragmented markets are impediments of competition. For establishing and sustaining such a market, it is important to achieve harmonization of policies, laws and procedure regarding different competition to all levels of governance. Further, an institutional mechanism with a synergized relationship between the national and sectoral regulators will also be required. Establishment of such market would also result in the capacity building of all the stakeholders, including lawmakers, judiciary, policy makers, business, trade associations, consumers and their association, and the members of the civil society. Resale price maintenance. Manufacturers and suppliers have always inadvertently tried to enforce a minimum price at which their goods can be resold by dealers or retailers. This practice adversely affects the public because it causes an increase of prices in the resale market. Competition law aims at curbing the practice and allowing for free pricing of goods in the resale market. Consumer welfare and protection. It is not most essential to encourage the competitive process so as to maximize consumer welfare and to protect consumer interests. The benefit from competition in economic growth and in enactment of consumer welfare are self-evident and widely recognized. An important aspect of consumer welfare is offering wider choice to consumers at lower prices. In common parlance, competition in the market means sellers striving individually for buyers' patronage to maximize profit or other business objectives. Such competition market enterprise is more efficient and innovative, and consequently the consumers are benefited. Competition advocacy. The need for advocacy is observation. या हम कहेंगे the needs for advocacy is obvious in a subject like competition enforcement of the competition law. Alone is not sufficient for ensuring competition in the market because the purpose will not be completely achieved until and unless there is a strong competition awareness among market players. This is essential because it would encourage self-compliance and reduce the need for direct action against erring firms of companies. Advocacy is often referred to as compliance without enforcement. Thus, competition advocacy and enforcement can be said to be mutually complementary.